Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons, including The Master Guide to Drawing Cartoons. I want to give you a tip today, something that you may not have heard. I think it could be helpful. You know, a lot of times when we draw a character, and say it's an attractive character, we think we have to have big eyes for the character. I mean, that's important, to have big eyes kind of shining at us, you know, capturing the attention. Not always. Sometimes smaller eyes are more expressive. The big eyes sometimes kind of overwhelm you just with the size and the eyelashes, and you kind of miss the expression. So let's start this way. Some basic shapes, and we're going to draw a character with pretty character, but with smaller eyes. Here's the center line, it's rounded. Because the face is round, you put it straight down, it's kind of weird because it's not flat. And we'll have the same thing here, because it's round going this side as well. Okay, see that? It's pretty clear for your basic way to start. Now let's give her a little bit of a nose here. This is sort of the anchor for the face. Like that. Because now we have everything set up. Eye on one side, eye on the other side of that bridge of the nose. So let's give her sort of a slender eye. And we'll make these a little bit expressive here, okay? So, the top of the eyelid is always the most important part, except if you're doing a laugh. A laugh pushes the bottoms up. So we'll make this look a little heavy, blend the eyelash into the top. We'll just bunch them together so we have two of them. On this side as well. Like this. And we'll tuck this eyeball into the corner and also have it submerged into the upper eyelid, like that. See how it's submerged like that? It becomes part of it. No difference between the black here and the black of the eyelid. Same thing this way. Going to submerge it this way. Really tuck it into the inner corner. Same thing, just like that. And we'll give it a little bit of an eyelid crease, otherwise it looks flat. This gives it a little bit of dimension. See that? Okay, darken this a bit. And bring this up. See, these are very, very small eyes for this big head, but they are expressive, right? So let's give her a little mouth here. I'm not going to do too much with the mouth. I'm going to let the eyes do more of it. Kind of small upper lip. If it's bigger, it's going to hit the nose, which is no good. And a little shine right here. I mean, shadow, not a shine. Now, see how the chin is here? So now I have to adjust for that, because the chin needs to go below the tip of the bottom of the nose, right here. So we'll bring it down like this. Just a little alteration like that can really help. So let's have nice, long, but thin eyebrows. Long really draws attention to the eyes, and thin means it's not going to overpower the eyes. See, just a little subtlety like this little arch. It's all you need. Now let's use that center line for more than just placing the features. Let's use that for the hairstyle. Like so. And we'll bring this out. And we'll create an inside for this. A little errant strand here and there. And we'll bring this up like this. Bring it around, and when gravity hits it, it falls down. So now the hair is on a tilt this way, on a tilt that way. And it also has a little interior showing and a little shadow under the chin. So let's add a little more shadow here and a little bit here, because the hair casts a shadow onto the face. See that? Just like that. At this point, I don't think I can erase everything, but you can start to erase and even your center line and eye line and see what you got left over there. I like to add a couple of strands also. It gives it a feeling of flow. And I'll just darken in the outline of the face. And there you go. an idea of how to make an attractive character but using smaller eyes rather than gigantic eyes and getting more expression because of them. Well, thanks so much for being with me today, and I hope you'll subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.